Northern Ireland, whose dream of owning a holiday home in Italy turned to disaster, and at last got their money back after 5 long years.
Yes, we reported how they had handed over thousands of pounds for a deposit on an apartment that was never built. They sued the solicitor who did the conveyancing work, and as Chris Page reports today, they got the result they had wanted.
They were promised a piece of paradise.
This will be our beach. We'll be lying sunbathing on that beach.
Instead, they had a devastating disappointment. Alan and Sharon Moore from East Belfast bought an apartment off-plan in Calabria in southern Italy. Despite doing plenty of research, they found themselves thousands of pounds out of pocket. A lawyer took their deposit, but the holiday homes were never constructed. The Moores sued the Italian solicitor, and today at the High Court, the case was settled in their favour.
You put something to the back of your mind for 5 years, you don't allow yourself to think about it because you can't think of the reality of this not coming to fruition, and now it's just, oh my goodness, you know, this is a future for our family again, you know, and a future for our daughter,
well,
you know.
It's nice to get the justice out of it as well, you know, the money's obviously comes in late, but you know, it was like black and white.
The apartment scheme was well marketed in Northern Ireland. The lawyer in Italy, Gabriele Giambrone, appeared to have good credentials, but the buyers were badly let down.
Mr. Giambrone sent the money on to the estate agents and didn't carry out any of the proper checks. It turns out the land itself was designated for agricultural purposes only, so nothing could ever be built on it.
Robert Crawford from Conlig in County Down also won damages.
Until you get there, it's anything could happen, you know, so it's been a tough time, and I'm glad to see the back of it, to be honest.
So the Moores and Robert Crawford finally had their money back, but many others are still waiting. More than 60 people from Northern Ireland who bought holiday homes are also suing the Italian lawyer. Chris Page, BBC Newsline, at the High Court in Belfast.